Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a playlist on YouTube and add some videos in it. So let's start by opening our browser. And go to youtube.com. So first let's check where we will add some playlists on. Go to picture icon, then click on YouTube Studio. Go to playlist. So we are going to add another playlist. Click on New Playlist. Set the title of the playlist. So here you will choose the visibility of your playlist. After you are done, you have to click Create. So here you can see that our playlist is created. Now we are going to add some videos in it. Go to three dots and go to Add Videos. They ask you to choose the video that you want to add. You can choose the video from other YouTubers, or you can choose your own videos from your channel. So let's click on your YouTube video. So you select it and click Add Videos. So now you can see that we have successfully added the video in our playlist. Now let's refresh and see if it'll appear here. And you can see that it is working. So thank you for watching. Please like this video, share, comment and subscribe for more useful tutorials.